Hi, welcome to Lidr Community, the tribe for great tech leaders. My name is Alvaro Moya, I'm the founder of Lidr, and I created this place to have a safe space to share my ideas, my concerns, my questions, my doubts with other like-minded souls, people that already walked that path or were in my same situation. In this community, you will find plenty of useful resources for your day-to-day, live and practical workshops run by top professionals, and the most important part, like-minded souls, hundreds of tech leaders from all around the world with the same dream, improving our future through better leadership. We want you to get the most out of it, and to do that, we expect you to be an active player. It's great to consume resources and follow the discussions, but it's much greater and much more growth will happen if you engage in the conversations, attend and participate in the events, share, engage with others on a personal level, and also interact with us. You have the right and the duty to make this place better. So please tell us what's wrong, tell us what you would like to have. I am in the community, you will find plenty of leader ambassadors there to reach out. So it's your community now, co-create it with us. And finally, once you really feel we have contributed to your goals in some way, it's time to get back to the community. Spread the word with others that could benefit from it as well as you did. We don't want this community to be a well-kept secret, so we encourage our members, like you, to carefully choose who else should be here. So do you want a quick summary? Participate, interact, get feedback, spread the word. Welcome to Lidr.